What are the SDGs? These are the 17 Sustainable Development Goals adopted by the United Nations. The SDGs are like a to-do list that all countries are trying to complete for the betterment of the world. Eradicating poverty and hunger, ensuring health and well-being, reducing inequalities, countering climate change. They encompass all the fundamental problems facing humanity. Addressing them requires coordinated and continuous work. Particularly significant projects aimed at achieving the SDGs receive international support and are implemented by the United Nations Development Programme. However, we need to do more than outline a route to achieve these goals. We need to know where we are at this point in time and move in the right direction. Thanks to the financial support from the European Union, an SDG platform for Central Asia has been developed. The circles are the Sustainable Development Goals and their targets. Their size indicate how much they impact other goals and targets. The colour shows the progress made in achieving the goal or a target. The lines and arrows show the relationships. That's right. The Sustainable Development Goals are interconnected, and actions to achieve one goal affect the attainment of others. About 1,500 such relationships have been identified for Central Asian countries alone. A comprehensive regional overview of trends, policies, linkages, and financing in the field of SDGs can be quickly obtained by zooming out. For example, the contribution of specific projects funded by the European Union to achieving the Sustainable Development Goals in Central Asia can be evaluated. The platform helps all stakeholders to assess progress toward achieving the SDGs, to identify problems, and to find new opportunities. Every citizen can see the necessary steps required to achieve the SDGs and contribute to building a sustainable future. Learn more about the Sustainable Development Goals in Central Asia now.